Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download Steam Workshop mods for Left 4 Dead 2. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Click Left 4 Dead 2. On the game page, click Workshop. Now browse the available mods. Or use the search bar to find a specific mod. Once you find a mod you like, open its page. Then click the subscribe button. Steam will automatically start downloading the mod. Wait for the download to finish. Now launch Left 4 Dead 2. From the main menu, click Add-ons. Here you'll see all the workshop mods you've downloaded. Make sure the mods you want to use are enabled. Then start a game. Your workshop mods should now be active. If a mod doesn't appear, restart Steam. Then launch the game again. If it still doesn't show up, make sure you're subscribed to the mod on the Steam Workshop. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.